Trying to. Probably good. So time lapse.
Yes. Missouri rain's not going to stop us. Did you know you're standing on my pile of gold?
I did know that. Oh, boo. Dang it. Might need you to.
What can I do?
Don't want it to fall.
I got it.
So I'm going to tie this off and then we'll put it underneath it. Then I'll attach it.
We have the most sophisticated equipment.
Hey, whatever it takes. Sometimes you improvise. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I need another wire to strap on that.
Want me to get it?
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way.
I was gonna say, I didn't know you were gonna be that quick. I was gonna say hi to the horse. More and more, I'm starting to get used to Lula
Yeah?
as a name.
I like it.
What about you?
I like that too. I think it sounds good.
Feels okay.
Yeah. We've had her for what? A little over a month now.
Has it been that long already? How's that camera? That looks good.
Yeah.
Get it level. Ish. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I am prepared.
Yeah. All right.
She's calming down. I love it.
Yeah.
She had a rough go of it with the goats, but she's doing really well.
She is.
This rain could stop, but whatever.
So I don't know if we've explained it. We opened up the other stall over here so she can go in, has a direct view of the goats.
Mm-hmm. And it's drier over there, obviously, because she's not been in it, so it's not as muddy.
Yeah. But the important thing I wanted to emphasize was she could
See the goats.
get closer to them. I mean, it's easy for us as humans to think that they communicate like humans and they got to be like face to face, but I think just being in the same structure with the other animals and hearing their is enough.
Uh-huh. Enough for now, anyway. I would not want to put them together. I mean, she could eat the goats easy if she was upset by them.
Eat the goats.
Not eat them, but like...
Hurt them.
Kill them.
I know what you mean. Anyway. But yeah, she seems to have calmed down quite a bit. She's back to her normal self.
Yes.
Right?
I love it. I'd say more than her normal self. She's got pep. She's really settling in and doing
her
well.
Her energy's up. She doesn't have the cough she had. She doesn't have the runny nose. So that antibiotic took care of that. Got those probiotics from
a subscriber,
wonderful
yeah.
viewer. Thank you very much. She's starting to put on some weight. Got a ways to go still, but anyway, you want to show what we're doing?
Yes! So we're putting in our garden, and like I said, the gold mine behind Jonah will be dumped into that.
It's all compost.
And so this year, I think we're going to try in-ground gardening, see how it goes. Then we can go to raised beds next year if we need to. But as you can see, we're just putting up the walls. Rain or shine, you got to get it done.
Yeah.
If we wait until it's the perfect weather, we won't have a garden this year.
It'll be summer.
Yeah, so doing the dang best we can.
Yeah.
We're running out of time. What are we standing here for?
Yeah, let's get going.
She loves to be loved.
Yeah. Especially when she's shedding.
Yeah. So much hair. So much hair.
Yeah.
So I was brushing her in the vlog and somebody was telling me that those circle brushes, you're supposed to use in a circular motion.
Never heard that before, but
Yeah.
there's a lot of people using them.
Yeah, she said the way you use it is fine. It gives a nice finish. But she said that they're designed to be used in a circular motion. We should try it.
Yeah, we should.
It's to help pull the hair out.
I know, but Never seen anybody use it that way.
Maybe nobody knows.
Maybe nobody knows.
Yeah, I think we should just try it.
Okay.
So.
I'm willing to try.
Do not eat my hand.
Why don't you guys go get some of those probiotic treats and give it to her? Your face. Go get her an apple too.
Okay, I'll feed her the apple.
Okay.
You got the treats? Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
So we're tying them off bottom and top to the fence posts. See how far we've got so far. And then this is gonna be our corner. Start heading out that way. Let's see if she likes the treats. These are the probiotics.
No, I'll only do one until you get here.
Let him do one and you can do one. Oh, okay.
I didn't tell her. I didn't say you had to.
Hold out your hand. Let her smell it. Shove it in there. She didn't care for it, huh?
She's picky. I've only been able to get her to eat the peppermint one.
I can get her to eat the apple one's fine.
Shoved it in.
Here, let me have one. I'm gonna shove it up in her jaw.
She does not like them. She's picky.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Here's an apple.
She's not interested. Let's see if she'll eat that. Or do you know she'll eat that?
I think so.
You fed her one before? I know she'll eat it, but...
Maybe she won't want it.
Oh yeah, she's going right for it.
Sir, it's just the apple juice.
Shove it in her. She's still learning. She's gonna go for that. No?
Yep.
Oh, there it is. Get it off the ground, you silly horse.
Oh, gross. She's eating it out of the ground.
Pick it up out of the mud. Use your lips. They're strong. Maybe a young horse just has inexperience.
Eating the mud.
I've seen other horses handle an apple just fine.
She normally does better than that.
You want this stem?
What is it?
The
Stem off the ground. Rude.
No, it was in my pocket.
Ugh, I hate this side of mud. No animal should live in mud.
Besides pigs.
We're gonna fix it. We're gonna get that rain gutter installed. That will help. It's not gonna eliminate it, but it'll help.
The bag. The bag.
And then we're gonna get some fencing installed and she'll be out in a bigger pasture area. So much to do, so little time.
The one with the heart?
And resources. Well, back to the grindstone. Let's get this done. Whoop.
We should make this a big gravel pit right here by the spigot.
I agree. And we will.
There must be rocks there. I thought it would go in better.
Oh, it feels like clay.
Oh.
Just packed. Perfect. String. So we'll tie off a little bit here. See, this is where knowing knots and what kind of knots would be really helpful, because I know I could tie a knot that would be easy to undo when we're done, but strong enough to hold some tension. Did I pay attention in Scouts? Not really.
That's why there's YouTube.
I know. So much to learn in so little time. Do the best we can.
Yep.
I know Roy knows knots way better than I do. I always appreciate that when he's around. Now the idea is I'll come out here. As long as I get it to where it's touching the pallet, but just barely, then I know I'm not going too far
Uh-huh.
out of whack. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And we'll get relatively straight. It won't be perfect, but I'm okay with that. You can also see how much slope there is in the ground.
Yeah, you can. Wow.
Kind of fun to see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lot softer out here.
Yeah, it is. I don't mind working through this kind of rain.
No, this is just a drizzle, right?
Yeah, this is fine. And it's starting to pick up a little, but it's not bad.
Okay, so I'm a little bit off, but I'm okay with that because I can deal with that kind of wiggle room.
Uh-huh. Well, good.
All right.
Glad.
Will you kick the base of that out
Yep.
away from me so I can count a little bit? Oh, I can do it. That's good.
Okay.
That is soft ground.
That was
Remember
easy.
when I was pounding these in Idaho with a hammer?
That was so dumb.
Makes such a difference.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, then I'll get the next one over here. Saw it. Where's the saw?
That worked out well.
Where'd you put the saw?
In the shed, in the tack room. So, you're getting a bath. I think that looks good. You happy with that?
I think so.
Will you be able to get through that with the lawnmower?
I don't know. I never thought about that. Probably not all the way, no. So, dang it. We might have to move that in a little bit. We'll figure it out.
This is when battery power tools are amazing.
Absolutely. Cool. Well, let us get that corner in. And then we can rerun our straight line.
Awesome.
The outside edge again.
Okay.
Inches. Way out here. Wow. How did I get that wrong? 58 right here. So as I move this, as I move that over, I want the string to go over 258.
Okay.
Tell me when?
Yep. Okay.
Good?
Yes.
Okay. Well, the rain has picked up. It's getting worse. I just asked Trish if we need to stop. It's getting pretty bad, but she's bound and determined to keep going. So we're gonna keep going. Finish this row. Even though we're wet. We're already wet, right?
Yeah, you know, I think warm hands and warm feet make a big difference.
Yeah.
Like I took off my gloves and I'm like, that was a mistake because they were wet and warm. Now they're cold and wet, but I think just keep going.
We're gonna plug away. Hopefully the time lapse is still going.
So close and yet so far. We were just discussing, do we stop? Do we keep going? The rain has really let up. I mean, we're wet, soaked straight through.
Heavy for a second.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to lighten up again.
Yeah, we're soaked straight through, but it's not cold, so that's good. But I mean, it's chilly. But we've done great work. he's got to cut off these little pieces so they butt up each other better, so they're not stupid. Great explanation, isn't it? So they're not stupid. But this tree, unfortunately, has passed. So we're going to take that down and possibly well, we're going to put the entrance to the garden here. And this is just the beginning. We could expand this garden to our needs, clear back into the tree line. So, you know, this is a really good first go of it. We're really excited. It's a lot of work. We're tired. We'd probably really like to stop. But I told Jonah, I says, if I stop, I go in the house and I dry off, you're gonna have a hard time getting me back out here. I think we will be happy that we pushed. We're out here slaving away, and they're over there just having fun. That's awesome. Is Sarah out there too, or is it just Sam?
I don't know. Looks like it's Sam, huh?
I love it.
You can play in the rain, you can work in the rain.
That is so true. We are getting so close. Did we discuss the plan is we're just putting up this wall and the corner, and then we'll address the gate and everything another day.
Well,
but
we need to leave it open anyway.
To get the tractor in and everything.
Get the tractor in to load the compost in.
Yeah. But we're tired.
Yeah.
Hard work's good though.
Yep.
And it's not a cold rain, as we've said. So there's blessings there.
Yeah. Sorry, you got the broken end.
That's okay.
Same situation, we'll have to wire it. What are you gonna give me?
Do we want to loop it right here?
You pull your end, I'll pull mine.
Uh-huh.
Twist around me. Got it?
Yeah.
You put a little pressure on pushing out on this.
Uh-huh.
That's where I want it. Get on the other side.
Okay. It stops raining when we're done.
Right? They're not the straightest walls, but they're good enough. You can kind of, you know what? The garden
I love it.
wall, it's a garden wall, and it's made out of pallets, so give me a freaking break. That'll do for now. It's a start. A little bit at a time. No cameras, so do it right.
Oh, and it's the last one, so I don't want to do it at all.
Twist both ends. There you go. Good job.
Thank you. I'm learning how to be a wire expert.
Well, expert's a big word.
Learning. I didn't say I was.
Yeah.
Learning.
I'm no expert either, so I don't know what expert's teaching you how to be an expert.
What do you think?
Just twist those with the pliers, and I think it's wonderful. Get a nice twist on that so both wires are, yeah.
Good enough?
Good enough. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now step back and be proud of your handiwork.
I can get up. New knees don't like to bend.
They're not new, they're 5 years old. Come on.
Oh, babe. We did good work.
Yeah,
Oh, my goodness.
we did. We can get some good plants. A good start.
Yes. This is a great start.
Yep.
Great start.
It'll work. Whoo-wee!